Alkaline took on Vibes Cartel when nobody else would do it. Now, Alkaline is also one of the biggest stars out of dancehall. Why would Masicka take on Vibes Cartel and film career flop? I don't understand that. That would never.
You don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man. So, we are going to see what them guy here say that every day. Because what bag I think they will say to people. You understand? But I want to listen to hear what going. You see it.
Alkaline took on Vibes Cartel when nobody else wouldn't do it. Now, Alkaline is also one of the biggest stars out of dancehall. Why would Masicka take on Vibes Cartel and film career flop? I don't understand that. That would never happen. It would never happen.
Because flop. Where does someone come from?
No, listen to what I say. Listen to what I say, because checks don't understand what I say well enough. I say, if Alkaline take on Vibes Cartel and now become one of the biggest dancehall star, Vibes Cartel take on the whole alliance and is a big superstar, right? Why would Masicka take on Vibes Cartel and then film career flop? Me not understand that.
But brother, you not understand certain things, you know. See? Remember say, yeah, Alkaline throw couple shots off a Cartel, yeah? Cartel respond in a way, you understand? Yeah, you don't know. When Cartel say little blind boy and one, you understand? And Alkaline sing Ricochet. Boy supporting the war and flap himself, you understand? Yeah. But the thing is that, bro, Masicka get the strength from Cartel, people them, the fans them and every little thing. You see what me I try to say? Alkaline, Dede, he might do him own thing. Alkaline nah get no strength from nobody, brother. You understand? Yeah. Vibes Cartel left the alliance, Zine, this up the islands, but you have to remember say the man and Beanie Man. Remember say Beanie Man was bounty rival them time there. So that give him back a strength this when him and Beanie Man start link. Remember you know, the Beanie Man give him first number one. You understand? So you have to look on that, bro. Masicka, brother. Masicka no know about no war. Masicka no have nobody, brother, where fi help. Right now, if him do what him do, brother, I eat that, brother. It done for him. It's over because over the years, the Gaza people have been pushing him, brother. Because before that, nobody really made Masicka like that. Since when him and Cartel do the Calaban, you know, the link with the Gaza and the Gaza strength, yeah, at them time there. So that's why over the years, him not really been no fan base like that. You understand? So yeah, man. So not because true you say Alkaline go off a Cartel and Alkaline thing big right now, and you see Cartel go off a what you call it? Go off a Bounty the Alliance crew, and you see a thing go on for him. Not because you see them two man they do mean say when Masicka do this with Cartel, brother, it must happen. You understand? Because the two of them they are different strategy that you see it. Because at the end of the day, brother, remember you know Alkaline was in the holy man where go off a Cartel all over everybody a try Ray and Alkaline defend him brand and build him fan base by himself. You understand? When Cartel this Bounty, see him? Remember a Beanie Man him go start link with. You understand that a Bounty rival. So Beanie Man fans did kinda give Cartel a strength too. Yeah. So a two different thing them there, brother.
Thing else would happen. It would.
No. But explain to you why that is not a good choice, no? Because Cartel never go answer you, brother. And you have to do an American master. Because like you want a going at them. You might not give you the time money. You get me come from. You might not give you.
But Cartel did answer Masicka already in a little piece of song when put out. And said Infrared was the biggest song he ever gave. So what are you saying?
I wish song that people tell me. I wish song that Cartel sing where him say yo, him give Masicka a biggest song. I don't understand that. What a brother you talk about? People wish song that. Tell me, you know, cause me never hear of that song yet. You understand? Me never hear that song there, so me don't really know which song him talk about. You understand? But listen what I say.
Listen what I say. I'm going to listen to me good. Yes, they might, just like when Alkaline might say my key to the city and my man said, and Cartel said, yo, me have more key than a, what you call it?
Yeah, man, that a locksmith.
Father.
Yeah.
Or locksmith. They will show a little shades, but that, when you said
that does hit, bro.
The man now sing the song and direct it to you. You get where I come from?
But the brother you just say Cartel not really give nobody attention and Ray. But now I'm gonna say yo, the match Alkaline and Cartel are throw shields off of each other. And first of all, Cartel sing about locksmith, yeah, that are after Alkaline sing about key man. I know nothing about no key to no city. A long time that, brother. You understand? But listen what they must say, people.
We give you the time to answer back.
Man, I get time of day, bro.
All right.
So if him do that, he would have built Masicka career. Masicka would have built
No. Masicka career already built. You mean, no, Masicka career already built. You mean him wouldn't have probably, you know, help him boost the career. I mean,
bro, Masicka
that just probably highlight him more.
Masicka now sell on a big show in a dog. A backyard party Masicka selling on. Me tell you, Masicka nanny go to bro.
Yeah, man, a real thing. Masicka not really sell out no shows and anything. You understand? It's just that the Jamaican industry kind of boots Masicka for make it, you know, make it seem like say him really do anything. But when you check it, bro, it's like seem like when him drop him song them, and it not really have no longevity like that. It just drop today and then by next year, so you nobody not talk about it. Nah, you understand? I just Masicka think that. You understand? So you don't know him now war nobody. Cause we know Masicka not really ready for that yet, brother. I would advise Masicka for go war nobody right now. You understand? Yeah, him know Masicka is not that. Him just act bad. Like them man they just say things just for, you know, make people talk or you understand? But him just know say him not me, him just a setting, just play words out there and all of them look someday. Is what I try to say. But listen to them as a people.
You know, reach the level where you want to reach.
Masicka,
no, I understand the whole concept. The general, I understand the whole concept when you say him not reach the level where he want to reach. But if him should take on Vybz Cartel in a clash, I guarantee it will go do more positive than negative. I not ask that.
All right.
I'm saying it. But what I'm saying
don't want to hear from them.
You ever talk to somebody and somebody not answer you and not be in your mind? Embarrassment.
Embarrassment, bro.
But he must go against him word because the man answer already.
Man answer, bro.
Even if him throwing shades, him still answer. Why never ignore it completely?
Man just drop a little line.
It's the same thing, bro.
But people, when I see no, when Masicka and Cartel really have people. When we are talking about war, where them really have? From Sunfest, from the man do Sunfest and Joshy walk up and Ray, brother. Remember Joshy said something in a dog, I know Masicka, you know. I just Masicka, you see, you know nobody talk about Joshy again. See, Masicka father and start talk about goat now and every little thing. That's what I'm telling you, know, if you are going to pick the guys aside, you know, just know say, you are going to always beneath Cartel, you see me? Beneath Cartel, whatsoever, brand. You now go get bigger, bro. You understand? You not get no respect. You understand? So suppose once you enter the Gaza realm, yeah man, I eat that, brother. You tie your name to that, you just stay right there. So as the brother said a while ago, one Alkaline was a brave one if you go against Cartel. And look where him career there right now. Him have him own a show, him a sell out him own a shows. You understand? He might get respect in a dancehall. Although enough of them not like him, but them respect what him do. But with Masicka now, him just no matter a years this happen people. A years no matter what Masicka do, them and say, hey, move for me someone. I want to a Cartel build your thing. I want to a Cartel give strength. Right now if you this boss, the Gaza fan left you go always hear that. You understand? You go always hear that. You see me?
No, bro.
But it's a technique anyway.
You know what I'm saying?
It's a technique. It's a technique still in the dancehall world. You see me?
We have a give.
Because it both now kind of turn the attention from both of them. It's a technique. So,
but watch this now. We have a give the goat, but he might get the nanny goat.
Bro, he might not get the nanny goat, bro.
Or the Baphomet goat.
He might not get no. Yo, respect. Masicka and Vybz Cartel are two goats in a different era.
Yo, I don't know where that brother you live, you know. I wish I can't dance all in my talk about, cause I don't know what I talk about. The brother you say Cartel and Masicka, them are go in a two different era. And we know say Cartel in a business about 30 years. See? Masicka get him first break like boy in a 2013 so. Yeah, in first break. But him in a game before that, but why you could have said about Masicka gone about 11 years in the game now. Seeing? About 11, yeah, about 12 years in the game now. Seeing people? And when you look on the scenario, Masicka right now, him should have do way more impactful things. You understand? Yeah, like him should have sell out shows and have him own a brand and every look. Right now them should him that beat him, but yo, a Gaza give strength and all of them something there. Yeah, but when you talk about goat, we're gonna talk about the last 10 years. So you know where from when Alkaline bus, Masicka them bus. All of the young artists them start busting at them time. From 2012 forwarding up. Yeah. So that would have been the new era. You don't know what Cartel are like from them little time they like before, from 2000 coming up. You understand? 10 year, 2011. You understand? You don't know him get locked up and thing. Seeing? So them time they would I say yo, I want like Cartel era and when him in a prison and thing. Seeing? But like the new era now, with Alkaline them, Masicka them, Skilly Bang them, the whole of the young artists them. Brother, Masicka can't be no goat, brother. For no new era, fam. You're wrong there, so brother. What Masicka do for put on, for say about this goat thing? What him do? The man not do nothing, bro. Right now, if man Cartel never go at it, although I feel like say, yo, that Cartel and Masicka thing are some joke thing, but when man do, brother, him man not sell out no shows, the man not do nothing, bro. What kind of impact Masicka have in a dancehall right now? What kind of impact? You understand? The man not have nothing, bro. Right now, some of the crooks them are still Gaza fan them, brother. Yeah. So, man I know when I talk about goat for new era, bro. I'm not reach just a hit, brother. Masicka not reach just a hit, dog. You see it? And I just saw the thing said.
That's all we can say.
Masicka, a bad artist. Masicka,
No, the man is a great artist.
Let me talk. Masicka, I want bad lyricist.
Bro,
Masicka,
you was great.
Masicka, I want bad lyricist. Seeing one of the bodies in a dancehall, one of the bodies. Seeing if me fi say lyrics wise, I him would I say can go toe to toe with Cartel. But dog, he might not have no influence. He might not have the.
What man say a while ago? The man say lyrics him alone can go toe to toe with Cartel. You sick in your head, dog. Brother, you're sick in your head, bro. You're sick in your head, brother. One flow. Masicka only do one flow, bro. Can go lyrically, brother. You know mix up lyrics with simile, you know, brother. You understand? We know Masicka for that, bro. You understand? Masicka not even do metaphors and them something there. You see it? I do simile. Be a rhyme, the man rhyme, bro. Which lyrically, dog? What kind of which song? Yo. For example, him have a song. Papi dive and me clothes. Time life and rose. That everything, bro. So, yo, that me I tell you them man. But people, listen what I want.
Pulling power they like Cartel right now. Him can't come as a call himself go dog. And then he go make a song when you're La Cabra. When La Cabra means she goat. Or you say you're a goat and you call yourself she goat. You're Chani?
Bro, what
or you're a nanny goat.
yeah, but you have to understand.
Or you're a Baphomet goat. Which goat are you? You're confusing the people.
You have to understand dancehall. They say Alkaline sing about body washing in the first song.
Yeah.
And then you know what Alkaline do again?
Yeah.
Sing about it 10 more times in the other song. Them.
No, we know that.
Exactly. So
I don't know where you get that info them, you know, brother. We don't know which 10 song or whatsoever, you know, bro. Alkaline bring up that the first song and say, yo, at that him ear, you understand? Him not watch and see nothing, him just hear him bridging them talk about it. You understand? That are the only song the man bring up that. You see it? And then the man say, cause I don't realize, you know, brother. Una try put the brata thing with that thing there. You understand? So many people sing about brata, bro. You understand? Some don't know, even Cartel sing about brata. When in a breast specialist with him and Beanie Man, when the man say, yo, when him say, yo, if you not give Ray Wash that a dirty habit. You understand? So, bro, a lot of people say them something, but brata is a different thing, bro. Digicel use brata plan, all of them look at something, bro. Different people use brata, but I don't know which 10 other song the man sing it with. You understand? Yeah, the first song him sing about B-Wash. The second song him come tell him say yo him nah stop say brata. Which if him say him nah stop say brata. If you type in Google brata and see what it mean. You understand? And then the last one when him drop with there with Keyman. When him say him ask the police if she give a brata or whatsoever. You understand? So, bro, this how Alkaline just use it for getting a talking, bro. You're not sick out and all of them like something. You see me? Yeah, man. So you get it wrong there. So I don't know you make it sound like say a 10 song. The man sing the song, brother. You understand?
So, is a thing in a dancehall, bro.
So yeah, try to tell me.
You see me? It's a strategy, basically. Because if Masicka say him a goat and whatever, and the attention turned to him and Vybz Kartel,
He's a controversial artist.
controversy that. You see me?
For call herself a she goat.
You all way well, okay? You all way well.
Lakabra.
And my final argument about this goat thing.
You know what, people? You know, you see in a life, imagine, remember, in a wedding, 2 years ago, in a Gaza fan, them usually push up. Masicka, yeah, man. He might be next. You understand? The members say, oh, he might go be the next king and every little thing now and rage. But look, you see, that's what I tell you, say, yo, you have to build your thing your own yourself, brother. Because no matter what happen, remember, it's like, yeah, do something on a bridge in helping in a life. And something go on, and him fall out. And you know what him gonna come say? Yo, boy, there, sugar man, yo, and me help build them boy the thing, rare them, I go use it against you. And that happened to Masicka right now. You see, but you know Masicka things stay already. Him love strength and all of them look something there. You see it. So anything happen to him now, it happen to him. You see it. But listen what I say.
Is that the two of them are great artists. Masicka is goat in this era. Vybz Kartel was goat in that era. Now, say it again. If Vybz Kartel are gonna build a song, do not put infrared in it and talk about you put the man career in the light. Because
brother, you can't, I don't know where you get that from, bro, because at the end of the day, cause remember he must say, yo, about the, must say about, yo, people must say, yo, about the infrared song, bro. Let me tell you this. Infrared no might get that amount of views, but when Masicka dip on the stage and him a flap out, you see when him drop the infrared song with him and Cartel, the people them wake out of them sleep. A big forward, the one of them biggest forward him get. Right. Otherwise from Whites, that same song they were him sing with Cartel, I would say yo, I'm second biggest forward right now. Cause the Whites forward in and do a thing. You understand? So of course, bro, when the man and Cartel start link, remember when you have the MVP, Alkaline and move out of them and go up on stage and talk about, yo, me some boy I talk about Gully Vendetta, yo, a Gaza genocide, at them time them him get the strength, Remember say before that, nobody never made Masicka, bro. Masicka did just a job song, but he wasn't the talk of the town like no. And I just because, I don't know if I plan or whatsoever with him and Cartel, I just because him and the Cartel back and forth make him name even a call up, so you understand? Yeah, man.
right now the song we him do with Shensia, bigger than that song. And that is a female him do it with.
And you know, and in this song with Shensia and the Cartel song and them and producer.
I don't give a because guess what? No. Even so be the case, as I said to you earlier, the man have 10 in them top 10 collab. Vybz Kartel no exist with in greatest top 10 collab them. And the song we him do with Shensia is Vybz Kartel biggest collab song. The same thing on Spotify with Clarks. So,
brother, but yes, him do a collab with him and Shensia, bro. But you forgot to say, yo, Shensia song was a solo song. You understand? Right now, bro, when last you see Masicka and Shensia perform that song there? On a stage. When last you see Masicka and Shensia perform that the song there? Bro, them not even perform. When Shensia go up on stage, she sing the song solo. She not even add in Masicka party night. You understand? So the only gain after that song they are mostly Shensia get it, brother. Cause you go out there in the world, everybody just sing the hit and run like that. Nobody not really sing Masicka part. But the infrared with Vybz Kartel and Masicka, that more impactful. You understand it more impactful than the hit and run song with him and Shensia, bro. You understand? The hit and run song are bass mostly like the most impact I got towards Shensia, not Masicka. But the infrared are both Masicka and Cartel. Yeah, if you have to play the two song them right now in our party, in our dance, the people are go real for the Masicka and Cartel song, brother. Them not really real for Shensia song, bro. With him and Masicka. That nah, you know, a girl song that, brother. You understand? Him just get a little piece of feature upon it. You see it? So the song with Cartel and Masicka, yeah, at them. You understand? At them, at that song there, in the street, we're gonna mash up a place. Not hit and run, my fam.
You have to compare, you have to look at that, bro. But I'm not trying to show you because guess what? You have to look at that. Vibes Cartel is a different era. You see me? Masicka is a different era. And if Masicka can find music where are equivalent to Vibes Cartel, where Iman Popcorn do so many years ago, and this a collab surpass that, then I will show you so.
But people, you know what the thing is that you don't understand what I go on, you know. You see it? Him keep on a compare the collab them when, bro. Remember said that song there, it get pushed by the label with Shenseea, brother. You understand? So eventually the song will go sky high, bro. You understand? That goes it well promoted, hit and run, everything. That's when Shenseea signed. So yeah, it'll get more views, yes. Yeah. But the infrared song are the more impactful song. You understand? The song with Masicka and Shenseea, bro, is just Shenseea alone, brother. There's no impact from Masicka with that song, fam. Everywhere Shenseea go and sing it and run, no one asking for Masicka, bro. But when Masicka, seeing, and you know what the worst thing? From Cartel come out, the only Cartel don't even. Alright, when Masicka, this are the thing, you know, people. When Masicka they are road and Cartel they are prison, right? Masicka always Masicka always sing the song, you know. Although Cartel they are prison and him are getting big forward. But if you realize from Cartel come out, Cartel no really bring up the song with him and Masicka unless him and Masicka they on the stage. You understand? So it tell you say yo it do we are bigger for Masicka. Give him the highlight there and everything because when him a singer, him always a do it. You understand? It stamp the thing for film catalog and all of them something here. But you realize with Cartel no really sing the song like say yo, where like for put it upon him list when him go up at the shows them. No, but when Masicka they are road and Cartel they are prison, Masicka always a drop in the song with him and Cartel and him a getting big forward. You understand? So bro, the song with him and Shenseea, bro, that I just Shenseea alone, brother. You see me? I just infrared alone with him and Cartel, give him the boots there. You understand? Give him the Gaza fans and you see me? Yeah. But people, I don't know, you know. I want media facts, you know. Yeah man, that is it.